Oh, heck. I thought I'd just do a quick one. It should be pretty easy. There's me. There's not me. See if we can set this down. Don't you love it? People's arms. Let's see here. Yeah, let me set this up right here. You don't need to see me for this, right? Magnets. Let's get this out of the way. It's nice baggy. We'll do one of them right now. Whew, wow. Those are some strong magnets. Look at that. There's a screw under the table right there somewhere. Crazy. We could do them both, I guess. The Nemesis. Right? Unscrew your switch. Your switch. Unscrew the post. Silver plated contact. There. Switch comes apart. Top piece. Spring goes bye-bye. And there's also this little pin that keeps everything from turning. And then there's this other little, I'm almost a spring but not quite, and now it's empty. So you take, wow, 2 of these. Take one. Give me 2 of them. Those are strong. That is downright crazy. Wow. Yeah, don't get that near the phone. Probably turn all sorts of colors. So, got one stuck to the bottom down there. Put another one. It's just floating above the other one. Right? I gotta put my little keeper in there. So let's put my little keeper in there. Maybe. Maybe not. You guys can't see what I'm doing because I got really fat fingers. And for some reason, it's not working out. So, we're doing this in real time, and I've never done this before, so. This is what happens in the life of a vapor. Alright, got my pin in there. We gotta line this bad boy up. I just did it upside down. I don't think it's gonna work that way. Try that again. Wow. That is strong. And what she looks like, see the pin on the side? Wow, that's like 3 times stronger than what my screw or my springs were. Wowee. My fingers are getting tired from holding this thing. The magnets seem kind of thick for that. I don't have a battery in here. Let's try this out. I don't think I got any juice in there. Let's try this out. Right off the bat, something I noticed. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, what happened to my throw? Virtually no throw left. It was, the magnets are just way too thick. Now we can get it above. See that? There. Now you can see the... I have a battery in this one. Pull this one apart. Let's see here. I also have my little fuse in there. Wow, that is a stiff throw now. I don't have no juice in there. So, the magnets in. The magnets in. The magnets in. It's a lot stiffer. I didn't think it would be that much. Yeah, stiffer. Insert joke. Let's see here. We're gonna drip some juice into the Helios. Just to show you. Yeah, it fires. And there it is. And there you have it. Replacing your spring with the magnets. You all have fun now. Because I know I will.